Hi you guys, how you doing? My name is Maaru, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not new to my channel, welcome back, homie. How you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today we're going to be looking at a makeup look. I am a professional makeup artist, and in the name of makeup and passion for makeup, I'm here today to show you how to do a black smoky eye. A black smoky eye, in my opinion, is a classic. And a classic is a classic for a reason. It is timeless and it's lasted the test of time. And if you are a makeup enthusiast, or you're looking to expand your horizons and move away from your natural looks and all of that, I highly would urge you and recommend you to learn how to do a black smoky eye. A black smoky eye can immediately vamp up any kind of look. No matter how simple or extraordinary your outfit is, the moment you put on a black smoky eye, it takes your look to the next level immediately. And when you add on top of that a bold red lip, it will look bomb. I think everyone should know how to do a black smoky eye, especially if you're into makeup. So today, that's what we're going to be looking at, and if that sounds like something you're into, please keep watching. Let's get started.
First thing I do is go in with my favorite Born This Way concealer. I actually use this as an eyeshadow base purely because it is super long lasting and it actually performs better than some of my good eyeshadow primers. So I'm spreading that evenly all over my eyes and then going in with a mid-tone brown shade. Now this is really to provide the blending transition shade for the eye. I'm actually outlining the shape of my eye, going in with the smallest amount of pigment and then swirling my brush in with the smallest amount of pressure. Secret to good smoky eye is less is more. So the next thing is to define the shape of your eye. I do this by going in with even deeper, darker brown shade, and I pack the color in by patting motion, and then once I'm happy, I blend through swirling motion. I repeat the same thing to the other eye, and again, go in with the smallest amount of pigment and work yourself up. It's really important that you understand this, and also really important that you know the shape of your eye, because knowing and understanding the shape of your eyes is another secret to a good smoky eye. Once you're happy, remember to blend the edges of the brown eyeshadow using a lighter transition shade like I am here, and then the black gel liner. Another secret to a good smoky eye is really laying down a good cream base. And notice how I'm using the smallest amount of product. I'm only just working the eyeshadow upwards. So it's really important that you understand the importance. I just used important twice. It's really important that you use the smallest amount of black product, because black product is pretty hard to take away once you put too much on. The next thing is black eyeshadow. This is actually my favorite part because this is the very last step in kind of setting this whole look. So again, use the smallest amount of product to set that black gel liner and define the shape of your eye the way you want to. Pack in that color very gently, run it down the bottom lash line, and then go in with a blending transition shade. This is where we use our famous sweeping motion. But the only difference is that I use the smallest amount of pressure, because you don't want to disrupt all the hard work that you've done before this. So be very careful and gentle when you use sweeping motion. Don't forget the edges. Go in with the brown shade and blend your lower lash line and the edges, and then line your waterline with some black liner, and bam, we are ready. So I've done the rest of my makeup, but I really want to show you this step where I draw a thin line of concealer under my eyebrows just to define the shape. This is really important because it does bring out the black of the smoky eye even more, and also gives definition to your eye. I blend that in with my finger and bam, see how much of a difference it makes. So that's it really, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. A little bit of gloss doesn't hurt nobody. This really is the look. Nothing more complicated. It's just knowing that less is more.
If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. And I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. And if you did, please subscribe, please like this video and comment below. I'd love to know your thoughts. And above all, if you create this look, I would love to see photos. So you can send me photos on Instagram. And thank you for watching. What else can I say? By the way, YouTube's algorithm is such that you have to watch till the end of the video and then you hit subscribe. If you hit subscribe too soon, it immediately unsubscribes you and your subscription is no longer valid. So that is just something to note if you are looking to subscribe to my channel, is to watch till the end of the video and then subscribe. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you again in another makeup related video very soon. I love you guys. I do. Take care and bye for now.